You're welcome to live a light on the hard way. Never make any plan B in your life. Just develop a lot of plans, all different plans, to make the plan A work. Let the plan A remain as it is. The rest of other plans are just to support plan A. Because plan A is the true dream that you had. The moment you skip to plan B, you have dropped out of your dream. You dropped out of the lane of what you really wanted in your life. So let the rest of other plans be to support the fulfillment of plan A.